Easy now, easy. Good boy. Watch your spacing on the left.
Watch the gate, it's opening. All right, easy now, right into the chute.
Physical assessment complete, vital signs are stable.
Notes recorded. Moving to the next phase.
The lumbar structure is strong, exactly what we look for.
I agree. The scan confirms excellent muscle development across the board.
I'm inputting the data now.
The examination confirms the animal is cleared for processing.
Eye is clear, no signs of pink eye.
Noted. Skin appears healthy, consistent with guidelines.
Condition looks good, nice and clean. Recorded, hoof check complete, we are clear for the next stage.
Water pressure is optimal. All systems clear for operation. Acknowledged. Proceeding with wash cycle.
We've checked the coat and the dewlap, everything is spotless.
Agreed. The sheen is exactly what we want. Quality control passed.
Air hose is clear.
All right, let's move them to bay 3.
The wash cycle is complete. Take him to loading bay 3.
Confirmed, moving him now.
I've sorted these by color gradient. Approved. Move them to the next station.
Workers carve and smooth the intersection of each bracelet. Precision tools create a comfortable fit for the wearer.